Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to create new vibration and text tone on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and go to Sounds and Haptics, then click. In the Sounds and Haptics, go to Sounds and Haptic Pattern section, then choose the text tone. Then in the text tone, click the vibration. Then in the vibration, if you want to create new vibration, click this. And in the new vibration, all you have to do is tap to create a vibration pattern. Or you can also long press to create a vibration that you want. And after that, you can play it. And your new vibration is now playing. You can save it by clicking the save on the upper corner of the screen. And you can put a vibration name, for example, girl. And after that, click the save to save your file. And your new vibration is now on the list. And that's it. We have successfully created new vibration in text tone on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.